Stop buying the wrong smart thermostat and literally throwing your money out the window. In 2026, saving on your energy bill doesn't have to mean breaking the bank on the device itself. I've tested every major contender, from the overpriced duds to the hidden gems, to bring you the definitive list of the best budget smart thermostats that actually deliver. We're talking real savings, real convenience, without sacrificing essential features. And trust me, our number one pick is a serious contender that often gets overlooked, proving you don't need a massive brand name to get serious smart home power. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This is still a powerhouse, learning your schedule and preferences to automatically optimize your home's temperature for maximum savings and comfort. Its iconic design and intuitive interface make it a joy to use. Who is this for? If you want the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it experience, value sleek design, and trust a mature ecosystem to manage your climate with minimal input, this is still a fantastic choice that pays for itself over time. The one honest flaw? It's still one of the pricier options on this list, making it less of an upfront budget pick, and it often requires a C-wire for reliable operation in older homes. Now, if you like the idea of deep intelligence but need a little more control over individual rooms, then you'll want to hear about number 4. That's the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. This one brings serious features to the table, including an air quality monitor, a built-in Alexa speaker, and a remote sensor right out of the box. It's all about creating comfortable zones and helping you understand your home's air quality. Who's this for? Homeowners seeking comprehensive temperature control across multiple rooms, advanced environmental monitoring, and full voice assistant integration, all while optimizing energy usage. The biggest drawback here, much like Nest, is its premium price tag. For a budget list, it's a stretch, but the long-term savings and advanced features can justify the investment if your budget allows for a slightly higher initial spend. Okay, we're moving further into truly budget-friendly territory now, and our next pick offers fantastic smart home integration and zone control without the premium sticker shock. Coming in at number 3 is the Honeywell Home T9. What makes the T9 stand out is its smart room sensors that allow you to prioritize comfort in specific areas of your home, not just where the thermostat is. Its geofencing capabilities learn when you're home or away to save energy, and the app is incredibly user-friendly. Who is this for? This is perfect for homeowners who need to manage hot or cold spots in their house, want reliable performance, and appreciate smart geofencing without breaking the bank on a more expensive system. The one minor flaw? While functional, the T9's design isn't quite as sleek or futuristic as some of its competitors, and additional room sensors can add up if you need a lot of them. Now, what if you're already deep in the Amazon ecosystem and just want the absolute lowest barrier to entry for smart climate control? Our number 2 pick has you covered. That's the Amazon Smart Thermostat. This thing is ridiculously affordable, often costing less than a single tank of gas. It integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to control your climate with just your voice. It's Energy Star certified and incredibly simple to use, especially if you already have an Echo device. Who is this for? This is the ultimate budget choice for anyone firmly entrenched in the Amazon ecosystem, seeking the cheapest entry point into smart thermostat technology, and perfectly content with basic but effective controls via voice or app. The big caveat, its honest flaw, is that it lacks a physical display for most controls, relying heavily on the Alexa app or an Echo device. Without an Alexa speaker, it's just a basic programmable thermostat. Alright, we've gone through some excellent options, but for the true sweet spot of affordability, features, and overall performance, our number 1 pick blew me away. The best budget smart thermostat of 2026 is the Emerson Sensi Touch. This thermostat truly punches above its weight. It boasts an intuitive touchscreen display, precise temperature control, and a robust app that offers flexible scheduling and geofencing. What really sets it apart is its universal compatibility, It plays nicely with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even Apple HomeKit, making it a star in any smart home. Plus, DIY installation is a breeze. Who is this for? This is the ideal choice for the budget-conscious homeowner who wants a full-featured, highly compatible smart thermostat experience without making any compromises on ease of use or functionality. It's the best bang for your buck on the market. The only real nitpick, its honest flaw, is that while functional, its design isn't as aesthetically premium as, say, a Nest, and the glossy touchscreen can be a bit of a fingerprint magnet. But for the price, those are minor quibbles. There you have it, the best budget smart thermostats of 2026 that will actually save you money and headaches. Don't waste another cent on outdated tech. To snag the best prices on all these devices right now, check the pinned comment and the description below. Go get smart with your savings.